Siklarokno Hakotorni Thinang National Integration Camp ni Bisingtwi Sakni Culture Rokno tei Exchange Khlaijagwi Tongo Kraksalo Rajakhorni Purbasha Urban Market o Salbani Bagwi Chengjakmani National Integration Camp Pandao Koksanani Thangwi Okno Sakha Hasteni Mantri Okra Prof Dr. Manik Saha
Tripura Hasteni Obono Puila Chengjakwi Tongo National Integration Camp 2025 Pandao Kraksalo Rajakhorni Purbasha Urban Market o Salbani Bagwi National Solidarity Camp Khlaijagwi Ashula Hasteni Mantri Okra Prof Dr. Manik Saha ni yagromu Chengjakha Pandao Manjaka Hasteni Mantri Okra Prof Dr. Manik Saha no karebu Chengjakha Minister Tingkoro West Tripura Jila Parishad President Bisingtwi Chino Kobe Tekubana Dongrok Ashuli Pandao Koksanani Thangwi Hasteni Mantri Okra Prof Dr. Manik Saha Sakha Brokni Kanmung Chomong Baibo Bororokno Shinwe Manu Hane Abahikino Chini Jago Thansa Tongmani Scote Guide Onka Hakotorni Shokangwi Talangani Pilar Hakotorni Siklarokno situation no digi prepares Khlaijagwi Hane Mantri Okra Ashalo National Integration Camp no Luazi Zagrokno bo Khaka Hamya Farka Abai Shamung Tangrok Yagon Harmani Bagwi Abai kana Hasteni Mantri Okra te Bushaka Tripura Hasteni Obono Puila Abohai Kaisa Panda Chengjakha Hane
is not just about wearing a uniform. It is a responsibility, a pledge towards the nation and society. This uniform plays a vital role in developing your identity and unity. It fosters equality among all participants and builds a sense of belonging. Scouts and Guides stands a pillar of youth development of India. In the nation prepares its youth for the challenge of any circumstances, and like this become what I have said earlier, that it is very essential of this team. In conclusion, I sincerely thank the organizers and volunteers who made this camp possible. Last but not the least, I request you all to visit our attractive tourist spots across the state to know Tripura in all aspects. I am sure the organizers have arranged your stay and fooding everything in comfortable ways. With this, I conclude my speech.
Ashula Kaisar Hasteni 368 Lukorok Pandao 5 participate Khlaika Ashali Thimni Mung Ongkha Ek Bharat Shreshto Bharat Abno Kareba Ashla Pradhan Mantri Man Ki Baat Pandani Bisingtwi Hakotorni Siklarokno Purbasha Sakha Rajakhorni Shimi Pranamni Kokthum Chini Khorang